Hello viewers, in this short video tutorial I will show you how you can solve the WordPress server error 5000. Here you can see server error 5000. So when I try to publish this page, every time I can see there is a error. This error comes from your WordPress cache and some plugins issues. So for that we need to go to the install plugin, and then there you will see an add new plugin. So from here we will search for WP, and then you will see this WP optimize. This will clean your cache and compress images and minify and clean database. So I install this. So let's try to activate this plugin. So when you activate this plugin, you will see this plugin is available here. So just click on optimize button, and from here you will see the list of options that you can optimize. So let's select everything and then clean the data. So here run all the selected optimization. So you can see there are lots of files, sometimes due to the old cache files. So when you try to publish something, it shows an server error. So most probably it will solve this issue. You can try to use this plugin. It has a good rating in WordPress, so you can try with that. So let's wait until everything is finished. So now you can see all the optimization is complete now, and so let's try to publish this page now. And now you can see there are no error of server 5000 error. So this is happened because as in WordPress we use lots of widget, and in the back end it creates a multiple table in the database. And so when we change some tables and recreate the widget, so the previous tables is saved in the database. So that's why we need to clean that. So this is the best optimization tool you can use. So I hope this video help you, and just give a like or share your experience if it's really help you.